Black pipes left under your crawl space can cause unexpected water issues, and here's how to handle it without losing your mind. So, you've got this old black pipe that used to be your main water line, and now it's just chilling under your house, possibly letting rainwater sneak into your crawl space. First off, yeah, capping off the open end of that pipe sounds like a smart move to stop water from leaking in. Next, check where your downspouts are dumping water. If they're disconnected or not directing water away from the foundation, fix that as soon as possible. You want the ground around your house sloping away so water doesn't pool near the foundation. Also, keep an eye on that crawl space after heavy rain to see if water sticks around too long. If it does, you might need a drainage system like a French drain or sump pump to help move water out. Don't forget about vapor barriers. Those plastic sheets have to go up the walls and be sealed tight to actually keep moisture down. Finally, if your crawl space feels damp or smells musty, getting some ventilation or a dehumidifier can save you from mold headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes I see with crawl space water issues is ignoring old plumbing remnants like that black pipe. It's easy to overlook but can be a direct entry point for water. Capping it off or removing it is key. Another common problem is poor drainage around the house. If your downspouts aren't connected or your yard doesn't slope away from the foundation, water will just pool and cause moisture problems. Fixing grading and reattaching downspouts usually does the trick. Lastly, people often think just throwing plastic on the ground is enough for a vapor barrier, but if it's not sealed up the walls, moisture still creeps in. Sealing and taping those barriers properly keeps your crawl space dry. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners like you because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle crawl space and foundation stuff without breaking the bank. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get work from people who really need your skills in their area.